6. Must-have screwdriver for phone repair. Beginner guide. Want to repair phones without damaging them? Then you need the right tools. Today I show you 6 central screwdriver every phone repair beginner should have. This here 6 different screwdriver, each one has a specific purpose. Using the wrong one can damage your screws. Tool 1. iPhone screwdriver. This one is for iPhone. It is used for the bottom screws. Using the wrong tool can strip the screw easily. Close up side. Tool 2. Android screwdriver. This one works for most Android phones. You will use often almost every repair. Tool 3. Precision screws. This is for tiny screws used inside the phone on internal components. Tool 4. Motherboard screws. This one gives better grip. Perfect for motherboard screws. Tool 5. Battery area. This is used near the battery section. Be extra careful while working here. Tool 6. Multi-purpose. This is a multi-purpose screwdriver. Best option for beginner. Warning: always use the correct screwdriver. Wrong tools can strip screws and that makes repair much harder. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more phone repair tips and tricks.